Tired of overwhelming your audience with a wall of separate charts? Let's master merging them into one powerful visual story in Excel. Imagine you have sales data represented by a column chart, and simultaneously, you want to overlay the profit margin as a line on the same graph. Here's how we do it, starting with your existing charts. First, click on the chart you want to use as your base. This will bring up the chart design and format tabs in the Excel ribbon. Now, head over to the chart design tab and click on select data. This opens the select data source window. Within this window, you'll see your existing charts data series. To add your second graph's data, click the add button. A new dialog box, edit series, will pop up here. You'll need to tell Excel what data to add. In the series values field, carefully select the entire range of data for your second graph. Make sure you include all the data points you want to visualize. Next, give your new data series a clear and descriptive name in the series name field. This will become the legend entry for this new data on your combined chart. Once you've entered the series name, click OK. You'll see your new data series now added to the list within the Select Data Source window. Click OK to apply these changes. Your charts are now merged. However, you might notice that the scales of your two data sets are quite different, making one of them hard to read. We'll fix that next. Right-click on the data series you just added, in this case, our profit margin line. From the context menu, select Format Data Series. The Format Data Series pane will appear under Series Options. You'll see a Plot Series on section. Check the box for secondary axis. This is the magic step that assigns your line graph its own independent vertical axis. And there you have it, two distinct datasets perfectly harmonized into a single, insightful graph. This makes your data instantly more digestible and your presentations much more impactful. Mastering chart merging in Excel can transform your data presentation. Like and subscribe for more Excel tips.